What's this?
No! My Odin wrestle game! I'm a game girl, left-handed!
It doesn't matter. Do you know we got a scholarship?
For where?
To South Africa.
What? For how long? When?
For 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah.
Why would I want to go there in the first place? Oh, my life sucks.
Well, they have the World Cup in football.
I hate football.
Well, they have the black-footed penguin.
Penguins?
Yeah.
Aren't penguins only in the North Pole?
South Pole, actually. They swam all the way from there to South Africa.
Ambitious.
Did you know that they have 15 official languages over there?
15 for one country?
Yeah.
That's weird. I'm gonna look it up on my phone. Oh wow! You know what? When everyone's asleep, I can go out and buy a $6 whore. It's illegal, but I mean, it's cool. And there's 40,000 of them. Tar du på olika vinklar?
Åh gud, jag tog alla! Bara på en. Varför spelar du mina spel? Tycker jag spelar dina spel.
Okej, seriöst. Inte ens nynna.
Famous for the many animals over there.